How to generate Google local leads quickly. In today's digital age, mastering the art of generating local leads through Google can transform your business. Let's explore some effective strategies to attract potential customers right from your local area. First, ensure your business is registered with Google My Business. This vital step enhances your visibility in local search results and Google Maps. Make sure to keep your profile updated with accurate business information, operating hours, and eye catching photos. Next, optimize your website for local SEO. Use local keywords throughout your site, especially in headings, titles, and meta descriptions. Incorporate these keywords naturally in your content to help search engines understand your local relevance. Another powerful tool is Google Ads. Use location-based targeting to ensure your ads reach the right audience. Craft compelling ad copy that includes your location to attract local clients actively searching for services like yours. Don't underestimate the power of online reviews. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews on your Google My Business profile. Positive reviews improve your online reputation and can significantly boost your local search rankings. Engage with local communities through social media. Share local news, promote community events, and tag local businesses to increase your reach and visibility. Collaborating with local influencers can amplify your message and attract more leads. Regularly monitor and respond to customer interactions. Quick and thoughtful responses to inquiries or feedback can turn potential leads into loyal customers. It also shows that your business values customer interaction. Finally, analyze your results. Use Google Analytics and other tools to track where your leads are coming from and adjust your strategies accordingly. Continuous monitoring helps refine your approach and enhance lead generation efforts.